So hi everyone, I'm going to tell about a new software that is MoveIt. Uh, for this one we need ROS. All right, so let's jump for Ubuntu system. So I'm using here Ubuntu 22.0 for LTS, and let's have a look on MoveIt software with ROS Neotic. Okay, I'm using ROS Neotic here. So I have already I've made a setup of MoveIt software. Uh, there is an installation process. If you want, you can have a look. So let me tell you first how to install this software. There are a couple of process you need to follow. Uh, okay, all right, it is here. So this is a process of install the MoveIt, and if you want to check the version, there are uh, four type of existing Ubuntu like ROS system. So you can use MoveIt 2 for humble and 2 for the rolling and one for Neotic and Melodic. So these are the ROS version if you know it. Okay, so I'm using right now ROS Neotic. So let's know the process. Uh, Let me tell you what is MoveIt and how you can use for a robotics project. So it's a powerful motion planning framework for the ROS and that make it easy to plan any kind of execute the complex robotics moment. All right. So for this one, we are using Franka Emika robot that has a 7 degree of freedom, and it is known for a precise and flexibility, and there are a lot of people using for research. And it's an open source robot, so you can access its C++ code and MATLAB and other Franka ROS library. So it's a very good robot for the learning. Okay, so we'll start from scratch, like setting up MoveIt and for the Panda robot and running this simulator software, like doing a picking and place task. So let's jump right into the setup and see the process, how things is happening. Okay, so okay, so I have already done this one. What you have to do, take a terminal in the ROS in Ubuntu here, just this one. All right, so and follow this process, like installing from here, getting a start. You can, yes, you can put all the things like ROS updates, UAFT installation process you can put in this system, and it is going to start. So I have already done these things. Let's jump for the next process, that is this one. Okay, so from here, if you have MoveIt software in your system, from here you can start launching this Frank Amiga robot, and you can play with any kind of task. Okay, so I'm copying this one, and I'm going to here. I have already installed this software here. So let's open in the terminal. Where is the terminal? Yes, here, yeah. So let's paste this one. Wait for a few seconds. Yes, you can see this one. So this is the interface of uh, MoveIt Revis. You can look at real robot. Let's click on add and click on the motion planning. So here we go. You can see that a Frank Amiga robot looks very nice, and you can plan you can plan a motion like from here to here. So it's very good. If you want, you can explore this one further. If you want, you can integrate with the AI system, any kind of large language model or any kind of existing AI, so you can control this robot. And second thing, you can integrate this simulation software with the actual robot system. That would be a good. So you can plan a task here and just transfer to the real existing robot system. It's a very nice. So you can have a look on this one, and let's have a look. There are joint configuration. You can play with this joint configuration here, and as I told you, it's a 7 degree of freedom. So you can have a look. These are the second joint and how it is moving. Okay, and you can record your trajectory. Apart from that, there is one system. You can place some block here, and any kind of block you can place. Let's have a look the documentation first. So these are the process which we have already done. And yes, this is also we have already done. This is a process how we can execute the command. And yeah, so you can see this one. Yes, the second process is to integrate with C++ libraries to put into in a block in the working space, and it is going to follow the trajectory, and there are collision avoidance system here also. So it looks very good. If you want, you can explore. This is a very good tutorial for ROS MoveIt. They have everything. Like we can place example here. If you want, you can play this one and this one also. So it's a kind of advancement in robotics. So for this you need Ubuntu and you need ROS 1 Neotic. You can uh, you can plan the trajectory. Our plan is to in next video to bring some kind of coding information related to this robot, and we can play with this become an